This dude got another Mark IV Supra. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I have not driven this car in over a week, probably like a week and a half. For those of you guys that live in SoCal, you guys know this. We've been hit with like a heat wave and this car has no AC. And long story short, I'm not driving this thing in the heat with no AC. It's kind of hot today, but I think it's okay. Let's see. It's 82, so I mean, it's definitely not cold, but I guess it's not like super hot. So we're gonna take this thing out on a Sunday morning drive, and I thought, why not bring you guys along with me? Paranoid, right? But whenever I don't drive this car for a long time, I always come back in the garage and make sure there's not easy power all over the floor. Those of you guys that have been watching my videos, you guys know that sometimes, well not sometimes, but there's been a few times where I don't drive the car for a while and a line will like pop, not pop, but like pretty much start leaking fuel. So no fuel on the floor, we're good to go. So as you guys may know, if you guys been watching me for a while, my gas gauge doesn't work, right? So supposedly I have 0 miles to empty, whatever. It doesn't work, but this time I am low on gas, I know it. I'm not that low, but I am low. So we're gonna go put some 85 real quick and then hit the gym on this lovely Sunday morning. Another reason why I haven't driven this car, and I probably shouldn't be driving it right now, but I need to move this car, but whenever I don't move it, stuff happens. You start leaking fuel, whatever, so I have to move the freaking car. Otherwise I wouldn't be driving it, but let's see if you guys can hear it. You guys can't hear it. The brakes are shot. Now you're saying, hey bro, you have a fully built turbo 350Z on stock brakes. Yeah, I know. I've been having the upgraded brakes, I'm not lying to you guys, over a year. Just sitting there. Why haven't I installed them? I don't know. I guess because I didn't have all the parts, because for these cars, they're Acabona brakes. For these cars, you have to have like a little adapter piece to install. I think just the front ones, I think. It's not expensive either, it's like probably 200 bucks. I've just been nagging it, so now I really need them. So obviously I'm not gonna just freshen up the stock brakes. Might as well throw on the big brake kit. So I'm gonna be ordering that soon and getting that installed. On the bright side, not only would I get better brakes obviously, but you also get that sick ass BBK look, so I'm very excited for that. It's also low-key a little hotter than I thought. I wish I was in the BMW right now, I'm not gonna lie, with the AC, but it's all good. But I'm already sweating, so I hate that feeling. What's gas like where you guys are from? Here in Cali for 91 is $6.40. Good thing I ain't pumping that. $3.20, baby. Alright guys, we filled up. 20 bucks. 85 got us that. At least I think it got us that. Why do I say I think? Because the gas gauge doesn't read correctly all the time. Low-key, the next time I do something to the fuel pump or like that area, I'm gonna just swap it out because it's kind of annoying. I know my car. Believe me, I do, but it gets annoying. What a beautiful day to be disturbing the peace in my loud 350Z. See if you guys can hear the brakes, bro. It's horrible. Yeah, I don't think you guys can. I can barely hear it myself. Fire! Oh, and a Mark V Supra on the other side. Damn, everybody's outside today. Shit. I would love to own an Impala one day. Preferably the infamous 6.4. 6.4. But low-key, I don't know if I make it a lowrider, like a sick ass muscle car. Swap it with like a LS3 and boost it or something. That'd be crazy. boosted 6.4 pop-up, bro. I just want to know why we're in March and it's so hot, bro. It should be not cold maybe, but like it should be fresh, like 70s maybe. It's like 85 already. Don't mind me, I'm just intending because I don't got AC in the car. I don't even know why I don't have AC. It's not like they didn't delete it like on purpose with the kid or anything. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir. I miss hearing that. It's only been a week. Soccer mom. I love this car. I do want to give you guys a little pull, but there's literally no space. I'll probably slow down a little bit right now for a little second gear rig. Alright, that's enough because I don't got brakes. Yeah, it's just skedaddled. I would love to do more, but like I said, I don't got brakes. And that's no fun. Brakes are just as important, or more important than, yeah, probably more important than anything else, honestly.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, we're at the gym. I did not think this through, so I parked right here, right? Reverse. The sun is beaming, or was beaming, inside the car. And I don't have a sunshade. Dude, I burnt myself like 3 or 4 times already with like the belt, the harness, and the seat. The seat's leather, so. Oh man, I just came out of the sauna to another sauna, bro. Dude, I can't even touch this thing. It's super hot. Oh damn, this shit not been super hot too. I don't know why I did that. I know it gets hot. For some reason I wanted to see if it was hot, and sure enough. Damn. Y'all ever see those memes where they're like, beware for the people that are driving with the windows down when it's hot? That's me right now, bro. The faster I drive, the cooler it feels, so we're gonna be driving a little fast right now. And it's also a little too hot to do cool, so yeah. Alright, now I'm cooling down a little bit.
Later.
Starting up the Beamer. We're about to go meet up with my good friend Jimmy. He bought another car and he wants to show it to me, so we're about to meet up with him and go see what he bought. So for those of you guys that might not know Jimmy, he's had an amazing list of cars, bro. He always buys something cool, sells it, and buys something even cooler. He bought a gem, bro. He showed me some pictures of it right now through messages. That thing is insane. So he wanted to show it to me, so we're gonna go meet up at the local gas station right here and check it out and show it to you guys. Why not? So the car that he got made me kind of want to bring out the Z, but as you guys seen by the clips earlier in the video, what the hell was that? Anyways, as you guys seen by the clips earlier in the video, the brakes are cooked. You could hear those. You could hear the brakes from a mile away, bro. It's like pretty bad. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, Supra. I'm gonna go ahead and not drive the car until I fix the brakes, so, or at least try not to drive it. So meanwhile, we'll be in the beam ski. I actually found the wheels that I want to buy for this car, and that should be happening in the next few days. So not sure if I want to do the whole aero kit first or the wheels first. Kind of want to do the wheels first. I don't know why. I'm usually the other way around. I prefer aero kit first, then like finish it off with the wheels, but I might do it the other way this time. Damn, these V58s are super torquey, bro. Love it. The car is there. Do you guys see it? Another Mark IV Supra. This dude got another Mark IV Supra. It's like, what, like your third one already? Yeah. So it's a Mark IV Supra, obviously, but with a little twist. OEM twin turbo car. That's no longer twin turbo. This thing is crazy, bro. With the CCWs, big turbo, obviously, big single turbo. Damn. Right hand drive. This thing is nuts. Freaking Jimmy. Another dream car checked off the list. This thing is sick. This thing is sick, bro. Straight trade for the M340 or what?
Yeah, dude. Not for the Z.
It's crazy that this car is stock. This is how it came from factory. This thing sounds sick. I think that's why I haven't modified it performance-wise. Because I don't really need to. It's not like I'm chasing big power in this car. I have the Z for that. It already sounds good. I'm just chilling. I do need wheels though. ASAP. Bro, the turbo sound is so fire on this thing. You get an intake on it so it can sound even better.